Hey guys, welcome back to yet another exciting video. I hope you all liked, shared and commented on all my previous videos. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, do click on the subscribe button and also click on the bell icon for instant notifications and updates. And so yes guys, today we are heading towards Chamundeshwari temple, the Chamundi hills in Mysore. So this was a plan, a very sudden plan, and I was like, okay fine, let's give a try. Okay, the boys are messaging that they have left home. So this is a group ride with 3 more other friends. So we are all having the meeting point as Bannerghatta Nice Road exit. I hope you know the T. John College, right? So next to that. So by another 15 minutes I'll have to reach there. The plan was to reach there by 5:30, but you know right how group rides work, and also I was also kind of late today, so I'll just come to that matter as to what happened. So everything was planned, and on the night, yesterday night, I had kept my GoPro for charge. Okay, and then around 11 o'clock it was charged for around 95%. And then I figured it out today morning that it was very weird that the battery has gone down to 0, and I had to again charge it for another half an hour and get it back to 60% and all of those jazz. And now it is fine, it's around 62%. So once I go to that particular place near Bannerghatta, I'll put it for charge until everyone comes. So then, because anyways I have fixed it, I have fixed the mobile mount. I already had one, but it completely was ruined. It was 2 years already I fixed it, and it was not in a great condition. So I thought of removing it and fixing a new one. So that is what exactly I did. So I'll have to just change my helmet soon, or change this visor to a white one. This black tinted visor, right? This is like an ultra, this actually protects the, in the early morning time it's fine. When there is light, daylight, it's completely fine. But during night, I don't think so. This is very safe. Since we are recording videos, right? If I open the visor, there should be a lot of wind noise. So that is the main reason I used to close it and do it. No issues. Another half an hour probably we can, the sun will rise, so that shouldn't be an issue. The ride is for like around 150 kilometers one side, so mostly it's going to be a very long ride after a very long time. And also I'm planning to do a lot of practice. I'm planning for a big ride, a big solo ride probably, but still the plan is going on. This kind of came into my mind last week, so I'm just thinking about it. And yeah, so let's go there. It's very dark, so probably we'll go there and then continue the vlog, so that it'll be easy for you guys to look as well. So yes, we came near the Bannerghatta Nice Road. So that is the exit. I just went there, and then kind of we are taking the Kengeri route now. So he is my friend. He thought like the map is not required, he knows the route. So it's always better to know the route rather than following the map. Because what happens, if you follow the map, right, for people who don't know about the good things about Google Maps, it might reroute 1,000 times. That is the craziest problem you can ever come across. And yeah, this highway is a beautiful one. Let's see how it goes. We are Hi. Vanakkam.
நான் கேர் எதுவுமே போட மாட்டேங்கிறீங்க
இன்னைக்கு கொஞ்சம் அப்படியே yes guys, we are here for the breakfast. This is the place. We were just waiting for thought of having it somewhere else, but in the end we figure out this particular small restaurant and then thought of finishing the lunch here itself. So I was not able to vlog till I reached Mysore. We just now, a while back, we finished our breakfast. I just had one plate of set dosa, and they both had dosa itself. So it was very rainy. It was like a monsoon ride. So the most irritating part is, yes, I agree, monsoon ride is fun, but continuously, if the rainfall is for the next 1 or 2 hours, it kind of gets irritated. So that is why I just took the GoPro, kept it in my bag, and I was like, okay, let's reach Chamundi Hills and then start vlogging, like continue the vlogging. That is what I was thinking about. And now the weather is beautiful now. It's nice, it's amazing. So I thought like, okay, fine, it's time to vlog, and I'm doing it now. And this place is, I would appreciate people living in Mysore, because what I personally see is, I have not come to so interior in Mysore. I have been to Mysore like previously 2 years, one and a half years or 2 years back, but I haven't seen it so clean. I know it's always clean, but this is the first time I'm seeing it. So it looks good. I hope, Swachh Bharat needs to be implemented by everyone around the country. That is very important. I think they are sending people back. Damn. Is it closed by any chance? Closed? Any other place? We'll have any other place surrounding? Ah, fine. Anything would be fine. So yes guys, what happened was we were not able to make it further because of the COVID restrictions. Chamundi Hill remains to be closed today. We'll see for another place. See, it's always fine to have a plan B. How's this place, bro? KFC. KRS backwaters.
Bro, what is it?
KRS backwaters. So yes guys, we were not able to make it to Chamundi Hills because it's closed, as it is a weekend. So I checked with one of my friend. He had been to Chamundi Hills this week during a weekday, but in the end what happened was things changed. So that was the issue. So we are planning to go to Gopalasamy Betta. So that is the plan for the day. So we'll have to check it out. So we just stopped here for a while to just take a further decision as to which place we will be heading towards. It's beautiful, but never expected that Chamundi Hills will be closed. Cool. I'll just go there and I'll continue the vlog, guys.